Hey everyone, how y'all doing? It's finally time for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway drawing. Um, I've been anticipating this for the longest time. I started collecting stuff way before the channel was even close to 1,000, and we went over 1,000 subscribers a lot sooner than I expected. It did kind of catch me off guard, and I was waiting. It took several weeks to put up the video. I was waiting for one item to come, and it didn't come, and it didn't come. So I went ahead and did the video, and like 3 days later, 4 days later, it showed up. So that's going to be a future giveaway video. That's pretty cool. I'll give you a sneak peek of that. It's an Asher knife. I really dig this knife. It's the Nomad frame lock. It's got S35E in steel, natural G10 scale. It's a frame lock, deep carry pocket clip. Yeah, it's a pretty awesome knife. I'm going to be adding one of these to my collection probably sooner than later, I hope. But yeah, that's coming up in the future, a few weeks from now, so stay tuned for that. And I'd like to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed. I never thought the channel would get to 1,000 subscribers, and as of right now, last I looked, we're 1,222. It blows my mind. Thanks to everyone that subscribed, all the friends I've made through the channel, and on Instagram, everyone that's helped and supported and encouraged me to keep this thing going. I'm not going to name names that take too long. People have helped and give encouragement, supported me, and some of them don't even know they did. So, and I guess that's it. Thanks, everyone. Another thing, though, want to wish JB at Big Red EDC a happy 50th birthday. His birthday will be today when this video goes up. So, yeah, hit his channel up, his last video, and wish him a happy birthday if you haven't already. And I guess, real quick, go over the rules, and we'll start the giveaway. So, the basic rules, as usual, YouTube has nothing to do with this. This is all put on by myself, and got 4 basic rules, really. Must be 18 years or older, or have parents' permission. Must have a continental U.S. address that I send it to. Because I'm giveaway knives, I'm not going to try to send it, out of the country and have it, taken at customs and disappear and nobody gets it. You must have commented on the giveaway video and subscribe to the channel. That's it. And winners will have 48 hours to contact me. Actually, I'm going to stretch it out to 56 hours to Tuesday, August 17th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That way, I figured 5 o'clock, people will be out of work or whatever. If they have to take that long, it'll help. So, Tuesday, the 17th, 8 p.m. If I don't hear from one of the winners, I'll redraw it that night. Contact me, email, factorsofjack@gmail.com. It's all lowercase, just like that. Or if we follow each other on Instagram, that's my Instagram handle. You can DM me on that. And, yeah. So I guess we'll get down to it. So, I'll do the prizes the same order as I did the video. So, the first prize package, you get a little bag of swag. I just don't have a lot of swag to give out, but got a little bit. Get an Olight buff. You can see how, different ways to wear it, use it. It's pretty cool. I have one. I cut it in half and used it, and had to wear face coverings. Get an Olight little keychain multi-tool. It's a pretty nifty little thing. I actually have one myself. It's pretty handy. And you get an Olight i3E, brand new in the box. That's brand new in the box. And then for the knife on prize package 1 is a Civivi, and it is the Civivi Fracture. Pretty awesome knife. I have a Tanto blade with an orange handle. I like it. Yeah, it's a slip joint. It's discontinued now. There might be a couple models still available. And this was donated to the giveaway by my son, Brandon. So he bought it. He never really carried it. There's something stuck in there. Piece of, I think it's tape, because I had this thing sitting on it. But yeah, Civivi Fracture. And that's prize package 1. So give me a moment to get I'm using my wife's tablet. I gotta get it signed on and everything. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't know which way is better. Guess do it like this. Here's the giveaway video. So come down, share, copy link, and then go over here to the YouTube random comment picker, and I'll paste that in. I think that worked. Now I did get rid of that. So filter duplicate users. Try to do it so you can see. Get YouTube comments. Oops, did you enter the right YouTube video? Oh, well, we'll do this again. Come back, share, there we go, copy link, then go back here, paste that in, filter duplicate users, get YouTube comments. There we go. 154 unique comments. Okay, folks. For prize package 1, who wins it? Scott Bond. Congratulations on 1K. Very nice giveaway. Nice of your son to donate the Olights. And Spencer at Finch is a big supporter of the community. Thanks for all the great videos. Awesome. Scott Bond. So I'm going to write that down. Right there. So I will try to find this comment in the video and leave I'll leave a comment on it so hopefully you get the notification for it, and leave that right there for now. Pack this stuff up and then I'll bring out the next prize package. Okay, so the next prize package number 2. Again, you get a little bag of swag. You get this little pocket sharpener from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, 600 grit. ceramic rods. It's pretty cool. Something to carry in a pouch or take with you, just in case you have to dress up a knife real quick and dirty. One of these Stanley 401 screwdrivers. These are pretty neat. I have a couple that I keep in a couple of my pouches. You get two double-ended bits, 5/32 and an 1/8 inch flathead, a Phillips head number 1, and a Phillips head number 0. So, and they go in the ends, caps come off. So you get that, and an Olight, another Olight i3E. One of these was donated by my son, brand new in package. And a Civivi was the label. Badlands Vagabond. OD green fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, black stainless steel liner. Brand new in box. It hasn't even been opened. But I'll show you mine. I have one. It's just like this one. I really dig this knife. I like this one. Action on this thing is just excellent. Flipper, plus it has thumb studs, deep carry pocket clip, does have FRN scales, which they're pretty good for FRN scales. I don't mind it at all. So yeah, you get the Civivi Badlands Vagabond, and with it you get a Civivi lanyard. Pretty cool lanyard. I have one. It's got the C on there. I don't know if you can see it, but you have the Civivi logo on the bead. So, and the stupid tablet turned off. Get back on it again real fast. So, we're back on, we're still on this one with the last winner. Let's pick another winner. Oops. And the winner of package 2 is Sean Lau. Congratulations, man. Keep the good times rolling. So let me write his name down. Better make sure it's just like that. There's no space between the first and last name. So yeah, congratulations, Sean. You win this package. Not this knife, this is mine. But you win a brand new one in package. And again, I'll clear this stuff up and we'll bring out prize package number 3. Okay, so prize package number 3. Again, you get a little bag of swag, and there's actually a little bit more in this one. I won't go through all the stuff, but there's a little more in this one than the other ones. And a Gondek EDC Hank, donated by Max at Gondek EDC. He sent this for the giveaway, so big, shout out to Gondek EDC for sending this. And, well, along with that, you also get the sticker and card. So you can check them out. He has a lot of cool things. Donated by my son is this Olight i3T, the red and gold one, the Iron Man colors. Pretty cool lights. I have one just like this. I carry it all the time, use it. But that's brand new, sealed in package. So that was donated by my son. And then you get a Travax Summit wallet, the blue strap. You watch my channels, I have a couple Travax wallets. I really like them. And this is the Summit. It's not the Armored Summit. If you want to make it into an Armored Summit, you can actually buy the extra plate for it. And it doesn't really matter. I use one of these like this quite often. Yeah, Travax Summit wallet. And for the knife, which was donated to the giveaway by Finch, Spencer at Finch. It's a Finch knife, and it is the Finch Cimarron. The awesome knives. I have one. I have the green and tan colorway. This is gray and yellow. You got 14C 28-inch steel. Nice titanium pocket clip. Action on this thing is just so excellent. This might be actually better starting out action than mine was. Yeah. This was donated by Spencer at Finch Knives. I really appreciate it. So big shout out to them. Big shout out to the Gondek EDC. Big shout out to my son because he donated this light, an i3E, and the Civivi fracture to the giveaway. So, again, a tablet turned off, timed out, got to log back in, and we're right back here. So let's pick the third and final winner. Oh, I hit the wrong button, but it's working. Eggs and Ham 22. Congrats on the continued success. Thank you to everyone who donated, and good luck to everyone. Awesome. Eggs and Ham 22. So, write that down. And Ham 22. So that's the 3 winners. Scott Bond for package 1, Sean Loud for package 2, Eggs and Ham 22 for package 3. Like I said, 24 hours, actually it's 56 hours to email me, either my Gmail, factorsofjack@gmail.com, or on Instagram at factorsofjack, and there's underscores between the words there. And holy cow, I guess that's it. So yeah, contact me. Like I said, I can go back, find the comment on the video. I'll leave a comment, and maybe you'll see that. But that's about all I can do. So it's up to you to contact me by Tuesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern time. And awesome. I'm so happy that finally got this done. Got 3, I think, decent prizes to 3 good people. And again, thanks to everyone that subscribed. You know, helped, supported, encouraged all along. And I guess that's it. Till the next video. Bye.